In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 ways that you can actually make money on Facebook, and the third way might actually surprise you. The first way that you can actually make money on Facebook is through creating content. Before you think that you need to be an influencer with millions of fans online to actually start making money, that is not true. What you do, however, need to make sure that you do is that your account is switched from a personal account to a professional account. Once you've converted your profile from a personal profile to a professional profile, you will actually find that you can actually go ahead and monetize your content. There are, however, certain metrics that you're going to have to meet in terms of the amount of content you're putting out and maybe the amount of followers that you've got on the profile, on your profile, which will then unlock different types of monetization offers that there is available to you. So at the moment, you've got something called stars. So this is where you put out a piece of content and people can reward you by sending you stars. In other words, they will tip you or they'll give you money to thank you for the content that you're putting out. You could also earn money with ads on your reels. If you do create reels and you see those ads that pop up, you could make money with those. You also get bonuses that they'll give you as being a creator. And then a few weeks ago, they actually unlocked in people's profiles, mine included, the ability to have something called content monetization activated in our accounts. And what that enables you to do is to make money off different types of things that you post. So in the past, I used to make money with my reels and ads on my reels. Now I'm able to make money off photos that I post, as well as any text or articles or links that I post into my profile. For me personally, I've actually made a decent amount of money off my photos, or in fact, my photos are making about 33 times more income for me than what my actual reels or the ads in my reels are actually making for myself. So you could post photos, share valuable insights and tips about your life or about whatever you're passionate about, and you can actually earn money that way too. So you don't just have to be on camera creating video content. The second way you can make money in Facebook is through Facebook groups. And so there's 2 ways you can monetize your Facebook groups. The first way might be if you've got a group with a sizable amount of people, you can actually allow them to pay you to give them the opportunity to promote their products and services to your audience. The other way that you can make money in a Facebook group is to promote your products and services to your audience. So you'll become the expert in this particular group, the person that people in that particular group looks up to. So when you come up with a new product or service, especially in this digital day and age in which we live, people who trust you are going to be more inclined to buy from you. So Facebook groups are a great place to build authority amongst a group of people who will then in turn buy your products and services that you present to them. And then the third way that I actually make money on Facebook is actually through affiliate marketing. So when I post things on my personal profile or in my groups or other groups that I might find myself in where I've been given permission to share a link of a product or service that I'm using, I'm actually going to direct people back to a product that I'm actually promoting, which in turn I'm earning a commission when they go ahead and they purchase that product. If you want to know more about affiliate marketing, I recorded a video which is somewhere above me over here, which will walk you through the steps with regards to what you need to do in order to start your affiliate marketing journey. And as a bonus, guys, as we wrap up this video, there's a list beneath this video with a few other ways that you can actually use Facebook to generate extra income on a monthly basis. For more videos like this, follow below.